In today's video, I'm going to teach you FreshBooks accounting software, how to use it effectively. By the end, you'll know how to set up your account, add clients and items, send invoices that get paid faster, track expenses and time, and review the key reports that keep your business on track. Let's start with setup and branding. Head to freshbooks.com and create your account. Once you're in, go to settings, the gear icon to personalize your business. Upload your logo so your invoices and estimates look polished and consistent. Enter your business address and any other key details so everything shows up correctly on your documents. While you're there, link your bank account to automatically import expenses. This saves hours of manual entry, and you can always disconnect it later or choose manual entry if you prefer. Think of this section as laying the foundation for everything else. Next, add the people and the things you bill for. In the Clients tab, select New Client and enter contact details, so invoices go to the right inbox every time. Accurate information here cuts down on delays. Then head to the Items section and list your services or products with clear names and prices. A short descriptive label and the correct rate make invoicing quick and reduce back and forth. Now you're ready to create and send invoices. Go to the Invoices tab and click New Invoice. Choose a client, add items from your list, set a due date, and include payment terms like net 15 or net 30. Use the Notes area to clarify scope or thank your client. Clarity helps you get paid faster. Preview your invoice, then click Send to email it directly. In the invoice settings, turn on automatic reminders so late payments get gentle nudges without you having to follow up manually. For everyday operations, track expenses and time. In the Expenses tab, connect your bank account so transactions import automatically. As they come in, categorize them consistently, such as office supplies or travel, and attach receipts when you have them. This makes tax time much easier. For billable hours, open the Time Tracking tab and use the built-in timer while you work. When you're ready to invoice, you can add that track time with a click. Finally, keep an eye on your numbers with Reports. In the Reports tab, check profit and loss to see your total income and expenses, and use aged receivables to understand who owes you money and how overdue those invoices are. Reviewing these regularly helps you make smarter decisions and take action early. That's it. Set up, organize, invoice, track, and review. Follow these steps and FreshBooks will feel simple, consistent, and effective.